So today we have a very special unboxing. The first shipment of Rainbow Country Hercules jackets in black Shinki Hikaku Horsehide have arrived. Now look, I want to mention before we get into unboxing, this box contains 3 jackets. They've all been purchased already. So if you're looking for a black Hercules right now, I can't offer it to you. The seal brown is coming soon. And in that box, there is one unclaimed size 40. Now, I understand that a lot of folks may be on the fence due to sizing. So I'm going to be taking measurements of these, which are a 40, 42, and 44, and I'll be able to better answer sizing questions for folks. I know I have the size chart from Rainbow Country, but methods differ, and I'll be able to give you my advice based off of kind of the standard that you've been accustomed to hearing from me, and that I believe a lot of shops such as Ironheart typically use, so that we can have a kind of standardized understanding of how these jackets fit. Now, that's pretty limited when it comes to availability for this year's production, but there is some good news because just around the corner, 6 months from now, we're going to be opening pre-orders again for more Hercules jackets from Rainbow Country, and ideally for several other models from the Rainbow Country line. So a lot to look forward to from Rainbow Country in 2025 via Duds by Dell, and I think anyone can get some value out of this video in addition to this, the enjoyment of an unboxing. All right, y'all. So here is a box. Let us examine the contents together. Very well sealed by our friends at Rainbow Country for its travel overseas. Let us see what we can see. Ah! You can see that the tape is strong with this one. Yeah. Open sesame. There we go. And to the other side. I've never opened such a large box before because I've only ever opened single jackets. And boots, you know, of course, jeans. Open sesame. Now look, I wish that I had a good sense of smell because everyone basically says when this step happens, the delicious aroma of the leather begins to fill the room. I am not able to report accurately on that as I am not blessed with a good sense of smell. And here we have one. They're alternating in directions. Here is a size 40. Oh my gosh. Oh, and that's cool. I love the color of that. They come bagged, zipped up. Oh. I'm going to be very gentle with these. So if you haven't seen the model, the standard Hercules model, that's what these jackets are. Mine, oh my gosh, it's so interesting to see it with no break-in at all, just a pure blank canvas mode, which I have never personally seen because I got my jacket from a friend. Oh my god. It's like kind of glorious, to be honest. No rolls or anything on the sleeves. Just waiting for, oh man. I'm honestly kind of, it's really cool to see this. Oh my god. So differences from the jacket that you may have seen me wear. The major ones are seam down here at the bottom, throat latch, and the back stitching. This leather feels so good. You see here, on mine it does not have those 3 things, which are different. But everything else is basically the same. And just what a glorious jacket. Oh my god. To show the inside, I will gently unzip this fella. Blue Melton wool in the black. The seal brown comes with an olive green Melton wool. And then the sleeves do have a lining. And in this black, oh, it's a different kind of color. Similar idea to on mine. It's a cotton plaid. It's yellow-blue cotton plaid. It's really pretty. There we have it. Size 40. There's two others in here, a 42 and a 44. I'm going to set this guy aside because, as I mentioned, I'll be taking measurements of all these jackets. And I do want to do a quick comparison here. If you want to see, this is the jacket that I've been wearing. You can see it's developed a lot more character. It's really had some breaking in done for it. And you can see that grain has really kind of developed more on mine. And the no throat latch, no bottom seam here, and no stitch work here. I really like those additional details, and it's something that some folks have asked me about, but I really think that they're super cool. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Should just be two more jackets, but you never know. The 42 and the 44 all stacked up, and that's it. Simple, easy peasy. All right, guys. All right, y'all, so for complete clarity on the sizing, this is the size 40. I did take the measurements. They really line up quite closely to the size 40 that I already have. I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like on, so y'all can get a feel for it. I think it is very slightly different, but that's the kind of thing that happens. I'm not going to be moving around a lot because I really don't want to form creases or anything on this jacket since it's not mine. And I really want to get that new owner their new jacket experience. So look, this is it. Now, as a completely unbroken in jacket, you can see that there's really no creases or rolls on the arms, and it fits really like my other one. It's just like there's been no break-in at all. Just to show the back on a person. For reference, of course, this is the Rainbow Country size 40 Hercules. I'm 5'9", 175 pounds, just barely over a 40-inch chest. And this jacket would fit me well. I'm not going to move around it anymore. Now, just showing off the fit on mine again. Obviously, if you follow the channel at all, you'll have seen me wearing this jacket quite a bit. But I feel more confident moving around in it. So this is what it looks like when it's broken in on me. So sleeves have a lot more rolling or creases formed, and the arms and body sit a little closer together because the jacket is formed in that armpit, that armhole area, and so the jacket does rest a lot more comfortably against me. This is the back on mine. Slightly different design. So, huge day for the Duds by Dell extended universe. And I just want to say thank you for sharing me with this unboxing and kind of discussion about these black Hercules jackets. If you're curious, reach out to me about sizing. I'm going to get the measurements on the 42 and 44 and really kind of build my knowledge so that I can better share with you good sizing advice on these Hercules jackets, which are just fantastic. Have a good one.